What up, fam? I got something very sweet, unique, and different for you guys today. A couple side hustles that you can do, earn some extra money online in your spare time, but also a couple ways where you only do one simple thing and you get rewarded bonuses of $100, $250, $300, $200, and all you have to do is this one simple What up, my beautiful YouTube family? I am so pumped that you guys are back here with me again today. I see you guys out there hustling. You are making things happen, and I recognize that. So I wanted to provide you guys with a little bit different of a lineup today. I've got 6 side hustles that can make you an extra $100 to $1,000 per month. No problem. So if you guys are freaking pumped for this different video, this new lineup of strategies and ways to make money online, drop this video a like, hit that subscribe button, ring a ding ding that little bell, and let me know what you want to see from me next. I have got a fat lineup of videos ready for you guys coming out like hotcakes. I'm pumped, I know you're pumped, so let's hop straight on into this. So number 1 today is partaking in focus groups online. And if you don't know what focus groups are, that is no problem. Today we're going to hop in and I'm going to show you this website called focusgroups.com where you can take focus groups. I personally used to use a website called Focus Point Global back in the day when I was doing my focus groups, but I have moved away from this. And whenever I do focus groups, I take them through focusgroup.com. So you're asking, what is this and how does this work? Well, I can show you that exactly right now. We can literally come over here to how does it work? And I'll take it straight from the horse's mouth. As it says right here, marketing research, this is a marketing research website where marketing research is gathering, analyzing, and collecting of people's opinions and helping these companies reach a decision for their product. So for an example would be, if you, back in the day when Tesla was developing their Model 3, you could join a focus group on that product and they might ask you, hey, what part do you like about this car? Or, hey, do you want the center display? Do you want that to be stationary in the car? Or do you want that to be like a removable iPad? And you would take that, share your opinion, share your thoughts, and tell that company kind of what you think they should do. And basically there are hundreds, if not thousands of people that partake in these focus groups and they influence the way these companies make their decisions and what decisions they make for their products and their upcoming products. It's really kind of cool if you were one of the people back in the day that was a part of the Tesla focus group and be like, hey, I actually voted for the visual iPad looking thing to be stationary, and now it is. It's amazing, right? So how does it work right here? You basically, as it says, join now, take surveys, and get invited. When you're taking these surveys, that is basically testing you to see which focus groups best fit you. And then when they decide that, you get invited to focus groups and you can start taking these focus groups and you get paid a seriously good amount of money. You can get paid between $50 and $300. And of course the time ranges from about 5 minutes to like 3 hours. Obviously if it's a very big focus group, and you'd be getting paid a lot of money for that. Honestly, these are just really fun and cool and easy. It's not like boring online surveys. These are fun focus groups that you can participate in and answer questions and give your opinion on legitimate products that are coming to the market or that are being redeveloped in the market, like Tesla and their new cars, or is it Ford, or is it Fiat and their new little baby car, or whatever those are. It's really fun, really easy, really passive, and you can just do this whenever. I suggest you guys don't sleep in on Saturday, get up an hour earlier, bang out a focus group, earn $50 to a couple $100, and boom, there you go. You made money on your Saturday morning when you typically would just be sleeping. So that takes us to number 2, and this is where it gets a little interesting. These are a little different, but these are very passive and rewards you immediately with bonuses. So the next one here is called credit card churning. And no, we're not churning butter, we're not making ice cream. We are credit card churning, and that basically means that we are signing up for different credit cards that offer bonus points, and not bonus points, but actual cash rewards for signing up for their credit card and fulfilling the minimum spending amount. So no, I'm not suggesting you guys go and sign up for 20 different credit cards and rack them up with a huge amount of debt and they go bankrupt. I'm saying you have set bills right now that you're paying. Say you've got $3,000 per month worth of bills for a simple, easy number, and it's all on 1 or 2 credit cards. Say you apply for 3 more, you get bonuses on those. Just transfer the money you're already spending to those credit cards to fulfill those minimum spending requirements in order to take part in the bonus. And there you go. You're not getting more in debt, you're not spending more money, but you're leveraging your ability to open new lines of credit and get new credit cards so you can take advantage of these offers that these credit card companies are giving, and you're basically just raking in free cash if you think about it. I will throw up on the screen right now a couple credit cards that are active right now that I suggest and I recommend you guys sign up for. Fulfill that minimum spending requirement and collect that free money. All right, so number 3, guys, is right along the same lines of credit card churning, and that is literally just bank account churning. So if you understand credit card churning, you probably understand bank account churning. And this one works great for people that have some money laying around. If you just have some cash in the bank and you're not really doing anything with it and it's just sitting there earning 0.01 interest in your savings account, then this could work great for you. So this literally requires the smallest amount of work possible. You are just transferring your money from one bank to the other and taking advantage of the bonuses that that bank you're transferring to is offering. And again, I will throw up some perfect banks that are active right now that are rewarding you for putting money in your bank. And of course, it depends on how much you got, how much is in your bank, but you can definitely take advantage of this if you have a decent amount of cash sitting around, laying around in a savings account earning 0.01% interest rate, right? So that's a fantastic one where you can start to earn some free bonus, some free money, and get some passive income kind of rolling by literally doing just about nothing. All right, so number 4 is, we've talked about this before on this channel, is affiliate marketing. And one of the easiest ways is Amazon Associates. And Amazon Associates basically is just Amazon's affiliate program where you can go on to Amazon Associates, pick a product, get a affiliate link with that product, and list that wherever you want. So if I had this microphone, I could log on, create an Amazon affiliates account, which is free to everyone, generate an affiliate link, and be able to list that link here in the description. And if any of y'all go and buy this microphone, then I would get a percentage cut from the sales price. And you can do that with just about any product, which is insane because, there's millions and millions of products on Amazon. So if you have a certain passion, if you really like something, if you're a photographer, or if you're very passionate about the gym or fitness or running or tennis or a sport or arts and crafts or whatever it may be, if you have a passion and you have an audience with you, whether that just be your Facebook friends or your family or people around your town, you can put that link in places like YouTube videos or Facebook posts or Instagram posts and say, hey, check out this cool product, yada, 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 affiliate link in the description, and you get paid for that. And a tip that I really encourage you guys to do is, if you are not super shy in front of the camera, then create a YouTube channel literally reviewing products. If you're a shopaholic, this is perfect for you. You're buying these products anyways, so you can buy these products because you're like, I need this right now, right? And then you can put those affiliate links in your description and review those products and tell people about those products. And if they're interested when they view your video, then they just click the link and you get paid. That's a really simple, easy way that requires zero money to get going with. Zero. And that's what I love so much about that. I want to provide ways that you can get started and make money with zero money. But I also want to give you some ways, if you got some money laying around you don't know what to do with, some ways to do that as well. Number 5 is teaching, tutoring, and coaching. If you have a skill If you have something you know very well, or you're an expert in, or maybe you're good at science or literature, or you're good at reading, or maybe you speak multiple languages, you can easily tutor people. If you're tutoring people in science, you can tutor high school students, you can tutor college students, you can tutor middle school students. An example for me I could be a coach. I could coach and do individual coaching calls and sessions with people for Amazon FBA. For people who are wanting to learn about that, I could charge people to give my advice and help them evaluate products with Amazon FBA. But I personally don't choose to do that because I choose to give that away for free. I choose to do that for free, and I choose not to charge people for coaching calls and these big fat coaching commission calls. I want to help for free, I want to give value, I want to give back, and I want to make a difference in people's lives. So if you really are interested actually in Amazon FBA, I created a private Facebook group where I'm in there every day giving away free value, posting videos, posting comments, posting posts, and helping people with any kind of question or problem they might be having. So if you're interested in that, I would love to have you a part of the FBA Alphas Facebook group. I will link that down in the description, and I will see you inside the fam. And number 6, guys, is Airbnb. This is a very interesting one, and this applies to some people, not all. This applies to people who own a home and maybe have an extra room laying around or have an office that they don't use. And basically Airbnb, if you don't know, is you are renting out a room or even an entire home to someone that you're not using. And what is cool is it's like a hotel, but it's a homey hotel. It's a lived-in hotel, and because it's your home, and you can charge a whole lot per night compared to just a typical rental property. As in, like buying an investment property, you maybe charge $1,000 a month, where you can charge with your Airbnb $300 per night. And it really starts to add up. It's an amazing way if you have an extra room or extra couple rooms and you don't mind someone being in and out of your house. It is a fantastic way to maybe generate some extra income and or offset your current house payment or your mortgage payment. So guys, that was a quick blast of 6 side hustles that you can take advantage of, and a couple different ones that allow you to take advantage of free money basically and be able to credit card churn and bank account churn and earn those free money bonuses. So guys, if you enjoyed this one, if you like this little bit of a different video applying to a little bit different audience, I would love to hear what you think. Leave a like and a comment down below. Subscribe and ring that little bell for me. It allows me to reach more people, make more of a difference in their lives, spread the love, spread the knowledge, and impact more people. So my YouTube fam, I will see you guys next time. Never give up and keep on hustling.